Alrighty, I have completed reinstalling the 2.4 Opel Motronic fuel injection system on my 1970 Opel GT. That is not it. That is my other Opel GT. That's my project car. That is waiting for the car in the garage to run so that I can get back to working on him. So I had attempted to put a 2-injector, twin throttle body, aftermarket fuel injection system on my red car, but didn't work out. One cylinder was not behaving. This here is my Pontiac Solstice hardtop with a body kit. As you can see, it was rebadged as an Opel. And there is the legendary Opel GTX. And I have not started it. I just plugged in the last wire and went inside to grab my camera. There it is in all its chromey perfection. I still have a bunch of wires to bundle up, but everything hinges upon whether this car will start and run properly, because I had reason to believe that there was something wrong with the engine. More wires to bundle and put away. So I am now going to turn the key for that's my hood window. That's the coolest thing. Well, let's see what happens. I'm very nervous. Reach in, turn the key. That's the sound of my fuel pump, my returnless fuel pump kicking in. And holy shit! Holy cow! It started right up. Got a funny little sound coming from up front. Not quite sure what that is. I think something with my alternator or something is loose. Let's get over here to the throttle. Now it's, of course, still warming up. Let's see what happens. Oh golly, that's as smooth as glass. Well, guess who's a happy boy right now?